This table kit. You showed me table kit. Yeah, table kit. Then show me the other products, whatever you have got, products and books. Opposite kit, yeah. Yeah, keep doing it. Yeah, this is base 10 blocks. This is base 10 block, yeah. Continue. This is geo board. Yeah, next. This is place value cards, yeah. Next. This is talking sticks. This is fraction set, yeah. All these are maths product which we will be doing one by one. This is the play maths book which we'll use in maths. So all of you, if you can see, you can get an idea what all we will do with the kit. Then you must have got other things also, English books and all.
Yes, sir.
You have those with you now?
Yes, sir.
Show me that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, that is book. Yeah, that is another English book of Oxford.
This is the science.
Yeah, this is environmental science. This is another book of English. This is third book of English. Yeah. Continue.
And this activity.
This is the for the map work. Okay. This is for social science.